Good morning everyone. Myself Vallabh Dove, TGT Science, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Burhanpur, Madhya Pradesh. Today I will discuss with you the chapter number 7, Weather, Climate and Adaptation of class 7. In the initial, I will explain you about the difference between weather and climate and its basic concept. And in the successive slide, I will discuss you about the various type of adaptation in animals found in polar regions and tropical rainforest. The weather of a place can be defined as the measure of its daily atmospheric condition such as humidity, temperature, lightning event, snowfall, storms and so on. And different elements of weather are rainfall, temperature, humidity, snowfall, storms, wind, etc. A weather report generally contains the information about the weather of the day. The government has a special department called the meteorological department that predicts the weather of a place and prepare the weather report. The weather report is generally published in newspaper, radio and television. The weather forecast is important for people because many of our day-to-day activities are based on weather condition. For example, we can check the possibility of rainfall on a particular day and carry an umbrella with us accordingly. The weather of a place is never constant. It can alter every day or even every hour. For instance, the weather might be sunny in the morning in an area, but really in the evening. The weather report of a place always include the minimum and maximum temperature of the day, which are measured using a minimum maximum thermometer. The minimum temperature can be experienced in the morning time, while the maximum temperature is experienced in the afternoon. To measure the rainfall of a place, an instrument called the rain gauge is used. The rain gauge collects the rainwater of origin and has a measuring scale which determines the quantity of rainfall of that place. Now a question arises, how do changes in weather occur? And the answer, any change in the weather of a place on the earth is because of sun, which radiates large amount of heat and light energy on the earth. The formation of winds, the phenomena of rainfall and the changes in season all occur because of sun. Why days are shorter in the winter and why days are longer in the summer season? We know that the earth spins on an axis around the sun. Hence the amount of sunlight a place receives varies throughout the year as its position with respect to the sun changes because of rotation of earth. This also leads to change in the season of a place. In the summer season, the position of the place is closer to the sun and hence it receives sunlight for longer hours, while in the winter, the position of place is further to the sun and hence it receives sunlight for shorter hours. And when we talk about the climate of a place can be defined as the prevailing weather condition of the place for a long period of time. For example, it may be 25 years, 30 years or more than this. For example, the temperature of Rajasthan is generally high throughout the year and it does not receive much rainfall, so we can say that Rajasthan is a hot and dry place. On the other hand, some other part of the India like the northeast or some other hilly areas, they do not have the sunlight much more during the whole year. So we can say that these places have some less temperature in comparison to Rajasthan. And when we discuss about the climate. The climate of a place can affect the living organisms of that area. The animal living in a particular region adapt themselves so that they can survive the weather condition of that place. The features and habits of the animal start to change as per as the climate of the place. Now I will explain this concept with the help of a PowerPoint presentation. Let's begin. Weather, climate and adaptation. Weather. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed is called weather of that place. There are certain elements of the weather, for example, atmospheric pressure, wind, precipitation, temperature, humidity and clouds. Now I will explain you the different elements of the weather one by one. First one is the temperature. It depends upon the duration of sunshine, how much time the sun remains in the contact of surface of earth. The duration of the sunshine is longer, due to this the temperature is high in the summer, and on the other hand the day temperature is minimum in the morning and maximum at noon. Humidity is also one of the factors which determine the weather of a particular area. It is the amount of moisture present in the air. Rainfall, it is also an important element, and to measure the rainfall we use a special apparatus known as rain gauge. Wind speed also affect the condition of weather. Climate is the average weather condition of last 25 years in a given geographical part. For example, in India, if we can consider Rajasthan, northeast areas, Himalaya regions and South India. Every part is having a different type of the climate. The climate of India is said to be hot and humid because the temperature is usually high and so is the humidity for most part of the year. The climate of Rajasthan is said to be hot and dry because temperature is very high but humidity is very low. Now the climate and adaptation, they have a strong interrelationship. Climate of a particular area leads to the adaptation. Now let us see what is adaptation. At several places such as desert, polar region, climate is very harsh. Adverse environmental conditions are found. At some places temperature may be very high, but on other hand at some places temperature may be low. Humidity, rainfall and wind speed also varies at different places. Now at extreme temperature, humidity and other factors of climate affect organism because many organisms lives and thrive at these places. In spite of the harsh climate, animals and plants living in such places develop certain features, and these features enable these animals to help them survive in the harsh climate. They develop certain features in order to survive in the given climate, and this is known as adaptation. Adaptations in the polar region. The most important animal which is found in polar region is polar bear. Polar bear is having so many extra characters, and due to these characters only it is able to survive in polar regions. First one is the presence of white fur. It is not easily visible in the snowy white background. It has a very strong sense of smell, and this sense of smell helps the bear to locate and catch its prey. It has long curved and sharp claws, and these help it to walk on ice. It has a layer of fat under the skin, and this fat insulates its body from cold and keep it warm. It has two thick layers of fur, and these keep it warm in cold weather. Next important animal which is found in polar region is penguin. We have seen penguins in television, movies, and in other documentary movies. After observing the body of a penguin, we come to conclusion that they have a strong and long beak which have serrated margins, and this serrated margin help it in catching the fishes. Second most important feature of the penguin is the presence of thick layer of fat under the skin, and which insulate against extreme cold. Its forelimbs are strong flipper and help in the swimming. Black color of back help in hiding from predators when they are swimming. Penguins usually remain huddled in group, and their huddles provide extra energy, extra heat, extra warmth. There are other animals also which are found in the polar regions, and these animals are fishes, musk oxen, reindeers, foxes, seals, whales, and many type of birds. Birds are a very important animal which is found in the polar region. Polar region is having extreme environmental conditions. Temperature become very less at certain period of time, and this low temperature is problematic for the birds to survive. So they would migrate to the warmer region of other parts of the earth when winter set in. They come back after the winter is over. India is one of the destination of many of birds like Siberian crane. They come to the Bharatpur Birdlife Sanctuary of Rajasthan, Sultanpur in Haryana, and some wetlands of northeast and some other parts of India. Now, if we will see about the tropical rainforest, let us see the average environmental condition of tropical rainforest. These regions are generally hot climate because of its location around the equator. Sun rays falls directly on the equator. Therefore, there is a possibility of high rain, and due to high rain, there is due to high rain, a dense forest are found on the equator. In India, tropical rainforests are found in the Western Ghats and in Assam. Rainforests are also found in Southeast Asia, Central America, and Central Africa. Rainforests have plenty of food which support variety of life. Many animals are found in the rainforest like leopard, elephant, snakes, tigers, monkeys, buffalo, frog, apes, and many more. In spite of plenty of food, there is a high level of competition for survival among animals in the rainforest. Let us see what are the adaptive features of animal found in rainforest. First one is a red-eyed frog. Look at the picture. You can easily observe the sticky pad on its feet. It helps in the climbing on trees on which this red-eyed frog lives. Second one is the New World monkey. After observing the picture given in this slide, we can easily observe that New World monkey have long tails for grasping branches. Their hands and feet are such that they can easily hold onto the branches. Next, a very beautiful bird you can see in this slide, toucan. It possesses a long, large beak which help it to reach the fruit on branches. It means it need not to go very close to the fruit. Otherwise, we can say the branches may be broken. So, what did this bird do? It simply sit on a strong branches, and with the help of its long and large beak, it can easily pick the fruit and eat it. Next is the big cats, lions and tiger. They have very sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin and a skin color which help them to camouflage by blending with the surrounding. The lion-tailed macaque, it is also known as beard ape. It lives in the rainforest of Western Ghats. Its outstanding feature is the silver-white mane, which surround the head from the cheek down to its chin. It is a good climber and feed mainly on fruits. Now, a most common animal which is found in tropical rainforest is elephant. Elephant have so many beautiful and fantastic features which help it to adapt in an adverse environmental condition. First one, the most common and the most visual feature is the big ears. And these big ears keep elephant cool because it is very hot and there is little shade. Second one is the presence of tusks. These tusks are used for digging and for protection against predators. The elephant trunk is great for picking up things, smelling and touching things. African bush elephant has such big feet because it needs a big foundation. Elephant drink about 150 gallons of water a day, and it helps to them stay hydrated. The tail is used for swatting away bugs, and elephant babies hold onto the tail. Elephant also have a thick layer of skin about 1 inch, which help protect them from the heat of sun, predators and environment. So, after seeing the various type of adaptations found in polar regions and tropical rainforest, let us see the important point before completion of this chapter. Weather is day-to-day atmospheric condition. Climate is average atmospheric condition for at least 25 years. Different type of element of weather are temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, and rainforest are the dense forest near equator and tropical region. Desert is a region with little rainfall, high temperature and full of sand. Polar regions are found near the poles of the earth, having very low temperature, and area is covered with snow most of the part of the year. Adaptation is the special habits of animal which enable them to survive in a particular climatic condition. Thanks.